Meaning of gallantry.
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 Gallantry. Gallantry refers to courageous and chivalrous behavior, especially towards women. It involves acts of bravery and selflessness, often shown in the face of danger or risk. A gallant person is willing to put the needs and safety of others before their own, displaying qualities such as honor, respect, and generosity. Gallantry can also refer to a romantic gesture or courteous behavior towards a partner or love interest. Overall, gallantry is often associated with traditional values of chivalry and virtue, and is admired for its display of noble character and moral integrity.